Silver has always held a special place in the world of jewellery. Its cool lunar glow has captivated us for millennia. Unlike gold, which speaks of grandeur, silver whispers of elegance and intimacy. It's a metal that readily accepts the touch of the artisan. Behind every gleaming ring lies a meticulous journey from raw material to wearable art. Crafting silver jewellery is a dance between creativity and precision. It's a process that demands both artistic vision and technical mastery. It begins with an idea, a spark of inspiration. This idea could be inspired by anything: the delicate curve of a leaf, the intricate patterns of ancient architecture, or simply a desire to capture a feeling in tangible form. The journey from concept to creation is a testament to the human spirit. It's a process refined over centuries, with each generation adding its own innovations. Today, technology allows for levels of intricacy once unimaginable. Join us now as we delve into this captivating world. We will explore the tools, techniques, and artistry involved in crafting silver jewellery. The design process is where the journey begins. In the past, this typically involved sketches and hand-carved prototypes. Today, computer-aided design, or CAD, has revolutionized this stage. Using specialized software, artisans can now create incredibly detailed three-dimensional models of their designs. This digital approach offers numerous advantages. It allows for greater precision and control, enabling the creation of intricate patterns and complex geometries that would be extremely difficult to achieve by hand. Moreover, CAD models can be easily modified and adjusted, allowing for experimentation and refinement throughout the design process. Once the digital design is finalized, it serves as the blueprint for the next stage, creating a physical model. This is typically done using a process called three-dimensional printing, or more traditionally, by hand carving a wax model. Wax carving is a specialized skill that requires a steady hand and a keen eye for detail. Using a variety of tools, the artisan carefully shapes the wax, bringing the digital design to life in 3 dimensions. The wax model must be an accurate representation of the final piece, as it will serve as the mold for the casting process. There's a unique tactile pleasure in working with wax. It's a forgiving material, allowing for adjustments and refinements as the design takes shape. Every groove, every curve, every intricate detail is meticulously carved into the wax, capturing the essence of the original design. The completed wax model is then carefully inspected, ensuring that it accurately reflects the design and is free from any imperfections. This stage is crucial, as any flaws in the wax model will be transferred to the final silver piece. From molten metal to solid silver, the casting process transforms wax into silver. This ancient technique, known as lost wax casting, has been used for millennia. The wax model is encased in a special plaster-like material. Molten silver is then carefully poured into the mold. The mold is broken open, revealing the raw silver casting. The artisan refines the piece, smoothing rough edges and defining its shape. A constellation of gems. If the design calls for gemstones, they are carefully selected and prepared for setting. This is a delicate process that requires a high level of precision and an understanding of the properties of both the metal and the stones. Each gem is carefully examined for clarity, color, and cut, ensuring that it meets the highest standards. The setting of a gemstone is a meticulous art form in itself. The artisan must create a secure and aesthetically pleasing setting that will both protect the stone and enhance its natural beauty. This might involve carefully carving a seat for the stone, shaping prongs to hold it in place, or creating a bezel setting that encircles the gem. The choice of setting technique depends on the type of gemstone, the design of the piece, and the artisan's personal style. Once the stone is set, it is carefully inspected to ensure that it is secure and that the setting complements the overall design. The craftsman's polish. The final stage in the creation of a piece of silver jewellery is the polishing and finishing. This is where the piece truly comes to life, its inherent beauty revealed through a series of meticulous steps. The piece is first carefully cleaned to remove any residues from the casting and finishing processes. Then, using a series of progressively finer abrasives, the silversmith smooths out any remaining imperfections and brings the metal to a high polish. This process requires patience and a delicate touch, as too much pressure can damage the piece. The final polish is more than just a cosmetic step. It's about revealing the inherent beauty of the metal, its subtle luster and depth. It's about transforming a piece of crafted silver into a work of art. The finished piece is then carefully inspected one last time, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship.